Welcome to this introductory course, where you'll get started with the basics of vector databases. Today's data goes beyond relational and NoSQL databases. While these databases still exist in the data landscape, vector databases are essential for storing and managing the complex data types used for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and geospatial engineering tasks. Within this growth space, the consulting firm Markets and Markets estimates that the global vector database market will grow exponentially from $1.5 billion in 2023 to $4.3 billion by 2028 at a compound annual growth rate of more than 23.3%. Salaries for data professionals with vector database skills remain strong, with both the job sites Indeed and LinkedIn showing entry-level data analyst roles starting at $70,000 annually, with salaries up to $160,000 annually. This is the first course in the 4-course IBM Vector Database Fundamentals program, a focused specialization developed for data administrators, data scientists, AI developers, machine learning specialists, geospatial engineers, and others ready to expand their skill set with vector database skills. Built for your busy schedule, you can complete this specialization in less than 1 month. If you have prerequisite knowledge of relational databases and NoSQL database operations and applications, and working knowledge of Node.js, and you're ready to gain vector database knowledge and hands-on experience, this course is right for you. You'll need access to a computer capable of running modern web browsers with a reliable internet connection. You'll begin this course with instructional videos and then gain practical hands-on experience using a virtual lab environment. You'll evaluate your knowledge using practice quizzes and prove your knowledge using the graded quizzes. This course also includes a glossary and a helpful cheat sheet, which are valuable when you apply your new skills after the course. And take advantage of the course forum to connect with other learners and get help and support. You will begin by learning about the significance of vector databases in contemporary data management systems. Then, gain insight into the difference between vector databases and traditional databases and explore various types of vector databases and their respective applications. Next, gain valuable hands-on experience using Node.js for database creation with popular vector database software such as ChromaDB. Then, you'll experience setting up environments for vector database operations and practice vector database skills using ChromaDB. Upon course completion, you'll earn a course badge that you can share with your employer and others. To maximize the value of this course, view each video, go through the readings, complete all hands-on lab experiences, and check your learning with each quiz. We are thrilled to accompany you on this learning journey. Let's get started. Good luck!